Wanted to show you this handheld vacuum sealer. It comes in a bag with 4 of these custom Ziploc vacuum bags. They close with this little tool, and I'll show you that. And this is where you use the suction. So I'm going to demonstrate it. It also comes, it's USB rechargeable. I'm just going to put this in the bag so you can kind of see how it forms over the item that you put in the bag. So I'm going to open it up and just put my item in there. And then you use this little tool. You kind of just fit it on over the zipper part. It doesn't have like your typical Ziploc sort of pull there. So you just use this little tool. And then this is where you charge it. It's USB-C. You just put it right on that sort of bullseye and you turn it on and it starts vacuum sealing the item. And you're going to hear a tone when it's done. Not a tone, a change in sound. And there you have it. It is completely vacuum sealed. There's lots of applications for this. These bags are, you know, kind of small, sort of snack size, but you can buy different bags with this air valve on there in different sizes and, you know, for whatever your needs are, but it works great. And it's small. I mean, it's just, you know, a little bit larger than my hand, easy to hold on to. Terrific little tool.